Hey guys, I arrived here in Ostend. Take a look at this. I just got off the train, which is right next to the harbor there. Look at this. There is a cruise ship docked right here. I can see people walking on the deck there. It's a big sucker, guys. I'm gonna try if I can come closer. Let me go closer to this edge here. There is the backside. It's tough to film because it's a little bit hidden behind those containers that are here, but it's a huge, huge ship. That's actually the first passenger ship that I see here in this harbor. I'm gonna try to go to the other side and see the front of this thing here. Take a look. It's a big one. There we go, guys. That was something different. So I'm gonna try to go to the front of this thing and see. Take a look there. Yes, guys. Take a look. Here it is. Here it is. Let me see if I can. It is the Amadea, apparently. Back up a little bit here because of the fence. It's a huge thing. There we have it, guys. I don't know when it would be nice if it would be leaving right now. But let's keep on going. Look at this, guys. Believe it or not, that bear is completely made out of chocolate. Isn't that something? That's unreal. Look at that. I hope you can see it with the glare of the window here. Yeah, I'm here in Bruges, and that's another chocolate store, guys. And they are preparing for a here on this square. They are preparing for the Christmas market. It's not Christmas yet. It is. It is end November. It's a very cold day, but a very nice day. And here is what they're doing. Preparing a Christmas market. Another month. Even though it's really cold, there are lots of people out, guys. Holy. It's probably 5 degrees outside right now. But sun is out and it's not bad. I arrived at the market square here, guys, and oh God, now he blocks my way. Look at this guy, guys. Here on the market square, they made a dome, and in the dome is the Christmas tree. And there is an entrance there and an exit. And there is lots of noise too. I wonder why they put the Christmas tree in a dome. I don't get that. Look at it. The first time I've ever seen that they put a Christmas tree in a dome. You know, maybe it's because otherwise it can catch the disease. Who knows? Yeah, here's to preparing for Christmas markets, guys. It's a busy place today, and it's a Monday afternoon, believe it or not. Take another look at that dome. Weird, weird, weird. Here we are right on the belfry here in Bruges. But you have seen that before in one of my videos. Take a look at this, guys. This is the wall of beer. Take a look. It's like a half open air space. Look at beer, beer, beer. And there is a neat little outside cafe here. Look at out in the open air. And the wall of beer continues on this side. Wow, lots of choice. Look at that. Look at that. And on the other side.
Look at this.
Holy. And this is the bar itself. Look at that, guys. Nice. That's a good one. Wow. This is a neat place. Yeah, as we said before, Bruges is the place of chocolates and beer. However, I don't drink beer and I don't really eat chocolate either. So not for me. It's a surprisingly nice day, guys, today. At the end of November. And look at this. The people even still go for a boat ride in this cold weather. There's not just one person, they're all packed the boats. Holy, I can't believe it. But this is a city that lives off of tourists, and luckily tourists started to come back after everything, well, not everything, more or less opened up again. So, okay, let's continue our walk. Such a nice day out today, guys. I had to go for a walk, and so I went to Bruges and Ostend again, my favorite places. And so I filmed a little bit on my way. I hope you like it. But now I'm making my way back to the train station. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'm gonna give the last word to Angel. Okay, Angel. In case you didn't see Angel in her Halloween costume and makeup, she looked great, guys. Take a look. Okay, see you next time, guys.